Step into the colorful world of macaws, incredible parrots with the ability to mimic human speech. These highly intelligent birds don't just repeat words, they can understand context, solve problems, and form deep social bonds. Learn how macaws imitate voices, sounds, and even phrases, showing impressive vocal learning abilities. Discover how their talking skills strengthen bonds with humans and fellow birds, making them expressive companions. Explore their problem-solving skills, showcasing intelligence on par with some primates. Marvel at their bright plumage, ranging from fiery reds to dazzling blues and yellows. Understand the efforts to preserve macaw populations, as habitat loss and illegal pet trade threaten their survival. Macaws' ability to mimic human speech and showcase intelligence highlights the beauty of avian communication. Protecting these birds ensures future generations can witness their vocal talents and vibrant presence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife stories and astonishing animal facts.